See, dude, the first problem is like I'm facing issues with Redshift in Houdini. It is like a licensing problem. I
Should we be recording this?
Yep, we should be recording this today.
Okay.
See, we are using pirated softwares. Okay, so
Wow, and this is
Houdini.
gonna go on YouTube.
Okay, so see, this we are using pirated software, both Houdini and Redshift.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, Redshift Houdini is something like $400, or I'm not sure of the pricing. Redshift has changed their recent licensing. I'm not sure of the price yet. So at this point, I don't recommend we going for a license also. So yeah, whatever. Dude. See if we are lucky, I don't face any issues. I get to know about the scattering. Scattering is gonna take something around 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Once this is done without any trouble for me, I can proceed to the colors, which is adding materials and all.
Okay.
I am going to transfer this in C4D. C4D is working perfectly for me. Even Redshift is good over there. That is how I rendered all of these stuff and all.
Okay.
These things I didn't C4D. I already did. I know it's gonna work over there. So yeah, if I don't face any issues with transferring it from Houdini to C4D, we are done with 1 day of work. Okay.
So
if there's, yeah,
your biggest blocker is the transferring from Houdini to your Cinema 4D.
yep.
And if that goes peacefully, then rest is just cakewalk.
It's just like within 3 hours it'll be done. If not, I am gonna figure a way. That is why I need like a day or two extra. So within 3 days, all this thing will be done. I'm damn sure.
So let's write it out the same way. Best case scenario,
1 day.
transfer from Houdini to what is this? Cinema 4D. Happens smooth.
Yep.
What time frame are we looking at if that happens smooth?
1 day, dude. Yeah, everything goes well 1 day. I'll be done with the scattering. You know what is scattering, right?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah, the scattering will be done, and then yeah, within a day.
What is the total time frame for the entire thing? Best case scenario.
1 day scattering and like adding the colors. 1 day. It's just gonna take a day.
How long will it take for rendering?
Yep, the rendering we'll talk later. First, we'll finish this one, scattering.
Okay, 1 day.
So as I told, colors, I need help either with you or Tom. Even if you guys both fight, we'll come up with a good color.
Yeah.
So yeah, 1 day, I'm sure we can do it. It's not impossible. Best case, if everything goes smoothly.
Worst case, 3 days. Oof. I really hope your transferring is smooth.
Yeah. But I'm damn sure even if I face any difficulties, within 3 days it will be done. Maybe 2 or 1.5. But we'll see that. Let's hope it's getting done in 1 day. So
okay, so yeah, I think I have a proper timeline for this. Let's go for the rendering part. Yes.
Okay, so rendering. I keep something like 15 minutes of frame to 20 minutes of frame, dude.
Let's just take 20 minutes of frame.
But like yeah, do you think we need to spend some time on color correction? Because I just added the colors done. So if you guys sit with me, you, Tom, and me,
Colors
we need
maximum
to
is gonna take an hour, right? At the maximum.
Sure,
Because
okay. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, that's right.
So I
Colors
think that can just be a part of the rendering phase.
Okay. Yep.
So
we'll just put it out here. We don't need to like specify a thing, no?
Yeah.
Colors will be added to the top one only within a day or within 3 days. Okay.
Yeah.
So fine. The rendering, like how much of animation is it? Wait, I'll just watch it right away. So yeah, I'm keeping like 15 minutes to 20 minutes of frame, but I don't need to work on this time. I'll just keep it on like overnight or something like that.
Okay.
I think it will be done by a night.
Okay, then let's not talk about the rendering if it's gonna be done overnight, right? Yeah, then chill. There's no point.
Yeah.
So the main block.
Yeah, the animation is something like 5 to 10 seconds. How much is that gonna take?
24 frames a second, right?
Yep. So let's take 24 into 10. It's like 240, right?
240.
240 times 20.
480.
480 minutes, right?
Yeah, 480 minutes.
480. Like 8 hours to, yeah, within a night. That's
okay, overnight. So let's not talk about the rendering then.
Let's not talk about the rendering. Yep. So yeah, the bloom is gonna be done within a day or within 3 days.
Depending on the transfer.
Yeah, transfer and without today, because today I'm doing the 5th floor.
Yeah.
Right.
So now I know what you're gonna be doing for the next week or something. It's either gonna be next 4 days or it's gonna extend to the next week. Yeah, including the computer animation and the bloom. Now comes the globe animation.
See, why I'm telling this for 3 days, like 3 days is because if I face any issues, like later I should have told you guys, no. So we'll fix it with 1 day itself. I'll try to make within a day. If not, I should like tell you guys why I was not able to do. Okay, so the world, first one, I need to model the world. World modeling.
Model the world.
Yep. So let me see the complexity. Just a second. So you told you're gonna get something from Sketchfab, right?
So what I was thinking was, yeah, maybe let's get a model, rip it off completely, and rip the outsides of it completely, take it away, chuck it, and we'll be having a basic globe-like structure, right? Then we'll try and figure out how the positions of this thing can go on over that.
Okay, let me search. There you go.
But, yeah.
This is actually a 3D model.
Oh. This is a 3D model, yeah. That's how I got.
Oh, you saw it. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
dude. That's why I'm telling you.
Oh, this has animation. Okay, wait, let me see.
Doesn't the background look very close to Zen.ly?
Dude, I don't think making this also will take that much time.
Exactly, dude. Instead of ripping off everything, the globe isn't that much of a work, right? Or is it?
Yeah, the globe isn't that much of a work. Yes. But then one thing I worry about is the textures of the water.
No, let's not keep water. Let's try. I mean, it's gonna be water, based off a globe, but about the parts where what kind of part should be there. Let's not try to keep it like water.
Yeah, something like this, dude. Yeah, if we get this, we can just put it there.
Okay. Images.
This will be nice. This is nice. Copy. I'll just send it here. We'll see that. Okay. So yeah. Okay, the world. Describe it. How do you want it to be?
So basically low poly, that's the first thing, obviously.
Okay, actually, these guys did not do it like just for the thing. See, this is Africa. Here you can see India.
Yeah,
I don't know what this is, but see, they've like America, South
Russia.
America. So yeah, they've like imitated it, the real thing, but to a low poly that extent.
Yeah.
So
But
do you
let's
want
not,
that?
no, we are not going that route. We are just randomizing it. And wherever empty places are there, there we'll try to fill up different water-like textures.
Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, that makes sense.
But I can give you a basic sketch for that.
Don't need it. We'll do it together if you want.
Yeah, sure. So, how long would it take you to model this globe?
See, dude. Yeah. One like okay, I'll put it in hours. So for the what we are going to do for the world is like one model of the sphere. I'm
Yeah,
gonna pull it out, grab it, pull it. You know about ZBrush, right? Modeling.
yeah.
Pulling it out so that we get the ground. And another model is like empty, like just a sphere. And then merge these two, you'll have the earth.
Okay, what's the
Uh,
estimated time?
so this is gonna take somewhere around max 3 hours. And this one nothing. So these two are gonna take 3 hours. And then I need to spend like half an hour for retopo.
Okay, fine.
And at least half an hour. No, not half an hour is not possible. 1 hour for viewing, like laying out that in 2D.
Yeah, I
So
get it.
4.5 to 5 hours too.
So, okay, so 5 hours for the Earth.
Yep, 5 for the Earth.
So basically, in real time, you're gonna take 1 day because
One day. Yep. 1 day. And then this is not including textures. I think textures will take me around
But textures,
2 to
why
3
will we
hours.
think of textures? Because the only two textures we are gonna think about is the barren land plus the empty space. For the barren land, you can use the same textures as the log, right? Sean?
It will look like wood. It's gonna look like
Yeah, I
wood.
don't want it to look like a planet. Planet was not I was aiming for. I want it to look like a barren land or something.
Okay. Barren. Barren. BARR or what?
Barren.
It's like dry, like deserted, right?
Without any plants and stuff. Not barren, barren. Barren.
Something like
See,
like
where
this.
plants
Oh,
don't
like
grow
this. Okay,
and
okay.
stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now I get your idea. Okay.
So it goes from a barren land to a fully,
See, something like this. Apply it as a texture, right?
yeah.
Now I get it. Okay, fine.
So wherever the land, wherever the fauna has to go, no, there this barren textures will be there. And as you scroll, the fauna blooms up from there. And then you don't need to again think about the colors for the bloom because you
See,
already
why I'm giving 2 hours is like, you know what we did for the PC?
no.
Like applying masks and all. That has to be repeated. So yeah, 2 hours is a like nominal time.
For
I can do
textures,
it. Yep. So totally like 7 hours total work for the Earth. Maybe a day, something like that.
okay, fine. So Earth is done. After Earth, as per what I
Yep.
think, the only thing is fauna, right?
No, after this one is done, after the 7 hours mark, I need to like get the Earth into Houdini or somehow follow this process. If
Yeah,
where
follow
is
that
that?
process.
Follow.
So it's
Yeah,
gonna
this
again
one.
start from scatter.
Yeah, but this will not take much time because I would have figured it out a way how to transfer it.
Fine.
So it's not gonna take much time. But rendering, yeah, it's gonna be overnight. I don't have a job, so maybe one day. 1 day for scattering and rendering. I'll get you.
So as per the estimate, it's gonna take 2 to 2.5 days.
Yep, 2.5 day will be a good time. So here it is 3 days.
Here it's 3 days. Here it's either 1 day or it's 3 days. Here,
No, including today, let us keep 2. And here 2.5. Oh, okay. Yep, here it is like 2.5. So basically, yeah. So the highest priority now is this one, right?
computer animation.
3D models. What?
Computer animation. Yeah.
Yep, the 3D work.
Yep. So okay. Device animation 3 days. For this bloom animation, either 1 or 3 days, and for the globe animation, 2.5 days. So Alex, if you're watching this meeting, I'm just telling you, like, the computer animation is gonna take 3 days in total, and the bloom animation for the first bloom animation is gonna take either just 1 day or 3 days, depending upon the factors affecting over there, that being the transfer of models from the Houdini software to the, what is this, Cinema 4D.
Cinema 4D.
And then we have the last globe animation, and that's going to be done in 2.5 days. So that's the timeline we figured out. Let us know what you think. That's it. So Sean, like today's goal before the end of the day, what, 5th floor, right?
5th floor. Yep.
Peace.
Yep.
That's it. Make sure you put it up on Asana. That's it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah. Peace out. Bye.
Okay, see you. Bye.